Welcome back, students. Good evening. In this video, we are going to discuss one more example based on nth derivative by using Leibnitz theorem. If you have y is equal to a x raised to n plus 1 plus b by x raised to n, prove that x square yn plus 2 plus 2n x yn plus 1 minus 2n yn equal to 0. So what is the working procedure, student? First to find out y1, then find out y2. After finding y2, differentiate y2 n times. You will get yn plus 2. Okay. So this is the working procedure. Okay. So let's find out. Okay, directly you can differentiate. Differentiate y with respect to x. Y becomes y dash, or you can write y1 a into differentiation of x raised to n plus 1 is n plus 1 x raised to n plus 1 minus 1 plus b into, okay, so you can write this x raised to n as in the numerator x raised to minus n. So x raised to minus n differentiation is minus n x raised to minus n minus 1. Okay, so here 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. So y1 is equal to a into n plus 1 into x raised to n minus bn into x raised to minus n minus 1. Okay, now differentiate again, students. y2 is equal to a into n plus 1 is constant. Differentiation of x raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1 minus bn into differentiation of x raised to minus n minus 1 is minus n minus 1 into x raised to minus n minus 1, again that is minus 1. Okay. So differentiation of x raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1, means it is decreased by 1. Look at here, this can be also written as a into n plus 1 into n into x raised to n minus 1, take minus common, so minus minus plus, so this is b n into n plus 1 into x raised to minus n minus 2. Okay. Now, so here I need to express in the form of what? Fine. Now what I will do is I will multiply this both sides by multiply both sides by x square. Why I am multiplying? If I multiply x square here, this will become x raised to n minus 1 plus 2. It will become x raised to n plus 1. You will get in terms of y. Okay. So this is x square into y2. This is a into n plus 1. X square multiplication, it will become x raised to n plus 1 plus b into n plus 1. By multiplication, it will become x raised to minus n. So now, here what is common? N into n plus 1 is common. What is remaining? A into x raised to n plus 1 plus b into x raised to minus n, which is same as y. Okay. So this is equal to n into n plus 1 into y. So left side is x square y2. As I mentioned already, get the value of y1 first, then get the value of y2. After getting this, we are going for differentiating n times. Okay, fine. Now differentiate n times this. Differentiate n times. Differentiating n times, what will you get on both sides? So nth derivative of x square into y2, the right side n into n plus 1 is constant, nth derivative of y, like in the previous example. So for that it's a product of two function, nth derivative of product of two function. Nth derivative of product of two function, we are applying Leibnitz theorem. What is Leibnitz theorem, student? You know already Leibnitz theorem. It is nth derivative of product of two function. So I am writing directly here. You must remember u1 vn or sorry uvn plus u1 vn minus 1 plus u2 here. Okay, uvn plus n into u1 vn minus 1 plus n into n minus 1 divided by 2 into u2 into vn minus 2 plus so on. Okay, it's a product of two functions. First function is u. I am writing directly, student. Okay, u is x square vn, v is y2 vn. So that is nth derivative of y2. It's like in this form. y2 n derivative is yn plus 2. Okay. Plus n into u1. U is x square, u1 is 2x. Vn minus 1. This is Vn decreased by 1. Yn plus 1. Plus n into n minus 1 divided by 2. u2. U is x square, u1 is 2x, u2 is just 2. Vn minus 2. This is Vn. Vn minus 1. Vn is just yn is equal to right side n into n plus 1 into nth derivative of y is yn. So 2 to get cancelled, students. Fine. So this is x square yn plus 2 plus 2nx yn plus 1. I will bring this into left side. Okay. Plus I am multiplying here n square minus n to yn minus n square plus n into yn is equal to 0. Now the last step, x square yn plus 2 plus 2nx yn plus 1. Okay. What is common in these two terms, student? Yn is common. So what is remaining? N square minus n square minus n plus n square minus n square get cancelled. Minus n is x square yn plus 2 plus 2nx yn plus 1 minus 2n into yn is equal to 0. So which is the required result. Thank you so much for watching.